Hello guys, how are you doing? How are you doing? My name's D-Boy from PC Gamers Reloaded, and today I want to teach you guys how you can mod FIFA 2014 to 2023. But before we jump into the video, please make sure to like, subscribe, and of course, click on the bell icon so that you guys don't miss the future video. Before we can begin the process, first of all, let's have a look at FIFA 2014. So the game is not updated yet, and I want to show you guys how it looks and then how it's going to look after we are done with the update. Okay, so this is just the base game. There's nothing to it. It's just the basic FIFA 2014. As you can see, the theme is exactly as it is. Okay. It. So everything at this point is pretty much outdated. The game, the interface, the scoreboard, the jerseys, the transfers, everything is out of date. Now, this game, we're making it for people that can't afford to buy maybe PCs that can play high-end games like FIFA 2019, FIFA 2021, 22, 23, and so on. Okay, so if you clicked on this video, I believe you either like to play FIFA 2014 or perhaps maybe you have a small machine. Okay, so anyway, for this to work, you're going to need to download the original FIFA 2014 version. Okay, once you download the game, you're going to have to install it. And after that, you're going to need to download the mod. Now, I've put a link in the description so you can check that out, and then you should be able to follow the guide. Okay, so once you download your mod, I have it in here. So by the way, you're going to need to have WinRAR for this to work because you need to extract these files. Okay, everything, as you can see, is in the mod folder. Everything. Just download the folder and follow the instructions. Right, so first of all, we are going to extract this file. Okay. Oh, one more thing. Before we even go further, you need to make sure your Windows Defender is turned off. Now, the reason being, it might block some of the files when extracting. So you need to make sure you turn off Windows Defender. So it should be able to show you what to do and how to turn off Windows Defender. Okay, so first of all, you're gonna extract the beta, the version 500 beta. So this might take a few minutes to extract, depending with the specs on your PC. So I might have to pause the video and continue once it's done, okay?
A few moments later.
Okay, so once the file is done extracting, open the folder, open, copy everything, or you can cut everything, so to say. Go to the folder where you've installed your FIFA 14 and paste the files. Okay, so replace the existing files. And we are done with step 1. Okay, so next step, we are going to extract the setup CM15. Okay, so right click, extract files. Okay, so once you extract it, install it. Awesome. So once that's done, go back into the FIP14 version 5 in this folder, the folder we extracted at first. Okay, because we need the CM15 FIP update. So right click on it, extract the files as well. Okay. Open that folder. Open. Okay. We can copy or cut the files. Go to the CM15, the one we just installed. Right click on it and choose the option that says open file location. Once we are in the folder, go where it says paste. Okay. Replace the existing files. Awesome. Once that's done, you can close this folder. Okay, so let's go back to our FIFA 14, where we've put the updated files. Open the game folder. Scroll down. So as you can see, there's a scoreboard manager. You can open it. That's if you want to change the scoreboard, of course. You can choose whatever you want to choose, whichever version that you want to use. Okay. So let's see, which version can I use? So bear in mind, by the way, changing the scoreboard might affect certain things in the game, okay? So sometimes it might crash, sometimes it might not. So it works on certain operating systems, and on certain operating systems it performs. Seems like there's kind of a bug. Okay, so you can choose any of these and it should be able to work. If it doesn't, just go back and select a different one. Okay, click on FIP Theme Manager, run it. And so for this one, we want to change the theme to 2023. Okay, install and done. Okay, so tournaments, run it. So when you also need to bear in mind that when you choose the tournaments, this is going to affect whether the career mode is going to work or not. So just bear in mind, if you install tournaments to work, career mode stops working. Okay, so if you leave it the way it is, then it's fine. Career mode will be playing, but the tournaments won't be working. Okay, so we can just close this. We don't need to apply it. Go to version manager. So you can also choose which one you want to apply. We can probably save the same one and just apply. Just click on apply. Awesome. So once that's done, go to CM15. You can either run it directly or run it as admin, whatever works for you. Okay, so let's open that. Now, what you want to do is you want to go on File, click where it says Open, select All. We are going to navigate to the folder where we installed FIFA 14. Okay, so for me, it's in my SSD, Games and FIFA 14. Select that. Okay, just click and click on Open. Click again, open. Okay, so for this part, the last part, we're going to navigate a little bit down. We're going to look for English. Okay, so this is the language that I'll be using. So I'll choose English US, open. Okay, so once that's done, go to Tools and click where it says Regenerate BH. So this might take a few minutes depending on the specs of your computer. So if your computer has good specs, obviously it will just take a few minutes. So don't click anything, just wait until it says ready at the bottom. Okay. Once it's done, you can go back to File and click where it says Save, just to make sure that you have saved everything. Okay. Once that's done, you can close this, and now we can test our FIFA. So go back to the FIFA folder. You can use the launch icon to open the game. So as you can see, the theme has changed. It's now FIFA 14 modded to 23. I think this should be the easiest way to do it. If you guys have any questions regarding this video or anywhere where you need help, please don't hesitate to communicate. Leave that in the comment and I'll get back to you. Okay. So let's just test this just to see and to make sure, of course, that the game has been fully updated. So the themes look very good. Very good. Okay, so you can create a new profile. I think I'll call this FIFA 23. Okay. So I'm going to choose, wait, I think, let me choose Chelsea. Okay, so as you can see, even the logos have been updated. Awesome. So as you can see, the game is working perfectly. So I've tested this game with more than 20 different computers, and I think I haven't had any issues whatsoever. So I'll leave the minimum requirements in the description. And thank you guys so much for joining. Make sure to check out my other videos and don't forget to subscribe. It really helps me out. Okay. If you love this video, please leave a thumbs up and see you in the next video. I'm out.